Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Mr. Poodle, so whoever those guys or people who are just coming into the channel, and thank you for please watching. Also, I want to leave a commentary of please leave a like, subscribe, comment, leave a comment notification, ring the notification bell so you can see your weekly gameplays of World of Warships on Android. Alright guys, although I've not been grinding seriously over the last few days, thanks to events coming in and out, we're gonna have to do a gameplay about our latest battleship that we managed to get, and we will not stop playing and avoid wasting time, so let's get into a battle, nice and quick. Obviously, as I will repeat myself, if you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, hit that notification button, and help this channel grow, and maybe there will be something good happening in the future. Hope you have a good day, and I hope you enjoy this gameplay. Alright, right now as we can see, our main objective is capturing these areas. Usually what we have for opponents, we have 2 battleships, cruisers. Let's see what kind of missions are we gonna happen. Let's just move over here. Let's see what kind of trick shots are we going to manage to hit today. Obviously this gameplay for a battleship is going to be quite the long one, as they're not the most fastest one. I usually try to get the upgrades that will make them at least a little bit more faster and more bearable for y'all guys. Alright, as we can see, our first opponent has appeared much ahead of the B squadron. 3 more opponents have appeared. Another opponent has appeared. Seems to be that we're going to handle a cruiser and a battleship. They don't obviously ignore the Snapchat texts. So it looks like Ayoba will be joining in the fight. It'll be the cruiser York, Warspite, premium ship, and let's lay him some fire. Great. It's been a while, so my accuracy is going to be quite rusty. Guess I'm gonna hit the Ayoba as more easier, but it looks like it's going to die. Let's aim a little bit ahead. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Now we got. There we go. Looks like we got hit. Who is it? Alright, Warspite, you wanna go ahead and fight me? I have more guns, but I can't use them correctly. Alright, let's lay him some fire, boys. Looks like this guy managed to slow down. My fire can rival to yours. No. It seems that we're going to die. I am down. Welcome back to another battle. And I'm glad you have witnessed this battle. Today we're gonna manage to, well, I sound like an introduction, so welcome back to another battle here. And we're gonna have to show these people how to do a little bombing runs. Alright, main objective, avoid getting bombed by the other enemy aircraft carrier. Man, that's good. So right now And now it's good relaxing. Let's see. It looks like we haven't spotted anything yet. Oh, yes, we did. Here. Alright, looks like we're gonna maybe not hit the Pensacola. Oh, yeah, we did. Wonderful. Good tactics. Looks like we managed to lose a lot of our aircraft. Actually, how are we gonna manage to avoid losing our aircraft? Obviously we will, but try to minimize it. Looks like the Mitsuki is not going to have a good day. And here we go, here she sinks. So we're maybe gonna bomb the Pensacola twice. We're gonna leave that to them. We're gonna torpedo the New Mexico. Powerful battleship if actually used correctly. Obviously with the triple guns, but our next, if you actually notice in my tech tree, oh man, I hate trying to forget words. Have you ever had those moments where you just forget the words? Man. Looks like we managed to get 2 hits and we lost a lot of planes. Looks like maybe he had bombed the bear. Looks like the New Mexico is going quite slow today. We lost a lot of planes today. That is not good for us. The CEO may not live after that impact. May not. Looks like we've gotten somebody in this tank. But let me remind you again about the conversation about the next generation of battleships. It's called the Colorado. And what happens is she just gets a bonus bigger guns. Alright, let's get him. It's quite the still target. There we go. Looks like we got our team taken care. Alright, we're gonna have a good victory. Looks like the other battleship, the New Mexico battleship, is not going to have a good day today. Oh no. Double whammy! Not good. Hey! Looks like the Fubuki, if she managed to run away, but I am doubting, very much a doubt. Well guys, we had a really good game. Let's see how much time do I have. Yes. That's a pretty lit clan name. The word gay. But alright guys, welcome back to another gameplay. Obviously it sounds like an introduction and you guys may be sick of it, I don't know. But I hope you guys are enjoying it. Alright, let's see what we're going to do. Looks like we have a small destroyer and a cruiser on our sides. Right now my main objective is just earning enough so I can sell my tier 5 Koenigsberg and sell it to get the Nuremberg. Although they have the same guns, the only thing different I believe it's going to happen is just a change in HP, yeah. I repeat myself a bit too much, but alright. Let's make it nice and fun, let's make it fresh. We're off to a good start after a whole week. Let's make all of y'all enjoy. Looks like our cruiser is going to leave us alone to capture our point C. Let's see if our destroyer decides to return. Seems that she will not return. Alright, I'm gonna hang out in here with this tiny island because I know I'm going to get destroyed previously, as I learned that I am not going to survive. It's just I won't. It's not that I could, but I can't. That doesn't make any sense, but alright. So let's see who we're gonna spot. Ooh, Texas. 1, 2. Wait. Hey. There it is, there it is. Let's see, good shot, good shot. There we go. Good show. Looks like we found our opponent. Aoba. Looks like Aoba decides to do a little fire, and we're gonna retain our fire. Hold until she shows her sides. Hold. I'm repeating the word hold, but okay. Let's go. And Aoba is not gonna have a good day after she lost over 5,000 HP with a single volley. Looks like Texas is going to void. Alright. Let's see if we can avoid these torpedoes. Hey! 2 shots. Not bad, not bad. Looks like we're kind of getting overwhelmed. Oh, let's see. Good shot. There we go. Looks like we have Aoba back again. Alright, let's hit our accelerator. Reload boost. Let's go. Looks like that's the end of Aoba. Looks like we have a cruiser from the back. Oh, what was it? Alright, let's see. It looks like I don't know where the torpedo came from, but okay, I think it's from the Aoba we killed earlier. Alright, let's go back and destroy the Koenigsberg. Looks like we're not doing too hot right now. Looks like we see her, we see it. Be gone! Fire. There's Fuso. I believe sticking together will be the best option right now for us. Looks like Fuso is going down. Watch out, there's the Koenigsberg. The Kamikaze is quite dangerous opponent if you manage to get distracted in the heat of battle. Alright, let's get our smaller boys and go. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Looks like it's gone. Looks like we managed to turn the tide, but we may not win today. They see me. Looks like we camped too far. Looks like we're not gonna make it. Yeah, we're not gonna win. Unless we sink the battleship. Nah, we're not gonna win. Oh well. We didn't have a successful battle, but in my terms, I think we won. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe and do all those wonderful things. And see you on the next one.